how to buy TST token on WEEX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token, it's available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on WEEX, what you need to do, just click on MEXC here. Now, if you don't find the WEEX, as you can see, this is it. Now click on this pair. So after that, so if you don't have an account on WEEX or on WEEX, go down in the description, you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on WEEX and fund it with some USDT, you will be able to buy this token. So after that, select the buy option here, and after that, what you need to do, you can see the limit and the market order two options. So if you select the limit, you can here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, you will be able to see the total that you will pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. So let's click on buy TST, and if you select the market, what you need to do, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy TST, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy TST token on WEEX. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.